Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory is probably one of the most popular and sought-after souvenirs in Tokyo, famed for its irresistible combination of creamy milk and savory cheese. This video will take you on a journey through the delightful world of Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory, exploring its various products, unique flavors, and the perfect occasions to enjoy these delectable treats. We'll delve into what makes these confections so special, providing you with an in-depth review and helping you decide which goodies are worth adding to your shopping list. Number 5. Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory Gift Box. Experience the rich, creamy texture of these delightful treats. They're the perfect sweet and savory combination. These unique confections blend the salty and creamy flavors beautifully. Each bite is a delightful surprise. Looking for a memorable gift from Tokyo? These make a wonderful souvenir for friends and family. Bring a taste of Tokyo home with you. These treats capture the essence of Japanese confectionery. These delightful sweets are perfect for sharing. Enjoy them with loved ones and create lasting memories. Made with high-quality ingredients, these are a true testament to Japanese craftsmanship and attention to detail. The elegant packaging makes it a beautiful gift to give or receive. It's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. What we like? It's the perfect gift for cheese lovers. The classic combination is a delightful treat. If you're looking for a memorable Japanese souvenir, this is it. What people say? It's a wonderful product, great tasting. The cookie actually tasted good. The cheese and cookie had a wonderful balance. Number 4. Salt and Camembert Cookies. Get ready for an exquisite taste experience. These delightful cookies blend the finest French Guerande salt with creamy Hokkaido milk and rich Camembert cheese. The secret is in the ingredients. We use exquisite French Guerande salt and the freshest Hokkaido milk to create a unique flavor profile. Imagine a delicate cookie with a layer of rich Camembert cheese sandwiched between two delicious chocolate plates. It's a match made in heaven. These cookies are more than just a treat, they're a journey for your taste buds. Each bite is a delightful explosion of flavor. Savor the delicate balance of salty, sweet, and creamy. They're the perfect treat for any occasion. Each box contains 10 individually wrapped cookies, perfect for sharing or enjoying all to yourself. What we like? These cookies offer a refined taste experience. The delicate texture melts in your mouth. If you appreciate subtle flavors and elegant desserts, you'll love them. What people say? Very different for a cookie. A subtle, mild cheese flavor. Each package comes with 10 small cookies that are individually wrapped in foil for freshness. The combination of flavors is divine. Honey, cracker lightly sweet and crunchy, and Gorgonzola filling, creamy, goes well together. Comes with 10 individually wrapped pieces. Number 3. Honey and Gorgonzola Cookies. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these unique imported cookies. They're a delightful blend of sweet honey and savory Gorgonzola cheese. The dough is carefully kneaded with the finest Spanish rosemary honey, giving it a distinctive floral aroma and subtle sweetness. It features a rich, creamy Gorgonzola cheese that adds a delightful savory depth to the cookie's flavor profile. This unexpected combination of sweet honey and savory Gorgonzola creates a truly unforgettable taste experience. Prepare for a delightful surprise. These exquisite cookies are imported directly from Japan, ensuring the highest quality and authenticity. Each box contains 10 delicious cookies. Whether enjoyed with a cup of tea or as a standalone treat, these cookies are the perfect way to indulge your cravings. They're sure to impress. What we like? It's an adventurous choice for the bold palate. The unexpected combination is surprisingly delicious. If you enjoy exploring unique flavor profiles, this is your perfect match. What people say? I would rate these 15 stars out of 10. Perfect balance between the lightly sweet cracker and the cheese filling. Very good. Love them and will keep patronizing. So good, melts in your mouth. We first discovered this Japanese snack at Narita Airport a couple years ago. These taste the same as we remember. Number 2. Tokyo Milk Cheese Cookies. Get ready to indulge in a delightful assortment of cookies. These delicious treats offer a unique flavor experience you won't forget. Each box contains 3 distinct flavors that rotate with the seasons. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Experience the savory combination of salty and creamy Camembert cheese. It's a sophisticated and unforgettable taste. This delightful flavor perfectly blends the sweetness of strawberries with the refreshing taste of milk tea. It's a delightful treat. Enjoy the unique pairing of sharp Gorgonzola cheese and sweet honey. It's a flavor combination that will surprise and delight you. With 30 cookies in every box, you'll have plenty to share with friends and family, or savor all by yourself. What we like? It offers a diverse range of flavors to satisfy everyone. You'll discover new favorites with each bite. If you want to try a little bit of everything, this is the best option. What people say. Item was delivered fresh and in excellent packaging and even came with individual shopping bags, perfect for gifting. The texture of the cookie crunchy then crumbly provides the perfect contrast to the rich, cheesy sweetness. Their flavors are really nicely done. Number 1. Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory Gift Box. This delightful gift box is perfect for sharing. It's filled with a variety of delicious cheese cookies. Inside, you'll find 20 cookies of each flavor, salt and camembert, and bee honey and gorgonzola. A perfect combination. The salt and camembert cookies offer a savory and creamy taste. A sophisticated treat for any occasion. The bee honey and gorgonzola cookies provide a unique sweet and savory experience. A truly unforgettable flavor. This beautifully packaged box makes a wonderful souvenir or gift. It's ideal for sharing with friends and family. With a total of 40 cookies, there's plenty to share. Everyone will love this sweet and savory treat. What we like? It's ideal for sharing with a large group. You get a generous amount of both flavors. If you need a substantial gift for a party or gathering, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The large box contains 2 boxes, each of 20 cookies, which is of a greater deal than purchasing them separately. It also contains 2 flavors, both are excellent. Perfect for enjoying it yourself, and for gifts to friends. These are the same cookies that I have enjoyed in Japan, so they're definitely the real deal. Very unique flavor with the cheeses in them, and really tasty. Not too sweet either. These are great, hard to find, Japanese sandwich cookie. Carefully packed and very fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.